Cordial greetings, dear college. My name is Alexander Castro. I am a student of Industrial Engineering at the National Open and Distance University, UNAD. On this occasion, I would like to introduce you to the subject of technology evaluation and negotiation stage 2. I'll talk about an app for preparation and use of vinyl paints. In this value proposition canvas, you can see the elements that can help us to understand how use it, and description of develop. First, we have benefits. What is benefits? What the product does for the customer. Allow the customer can visualize paint finish on the walls, calculate the exact amount of each project, advises paint color according to each environment. The features, how the product works. By means of the algorithm created especially for the programmer and fabricator of each painting, the dimension of each project are inserted and the system show the amount of vinyl to be produced. The recommend color according to the requirement, upon completion and the accepted of the results, the manufacturing of the products is ordered, which is also carried out through the application. The experience. The experience is the sum of the benefits with the features. These two items mixed. Experience saves time and money by purchasing an exact amount of the painting each project. It works for construction professionals as well as beginners or bosses who want to keep eye on the project. For the customer, the wants. The wants is the aspiration of one achieved with the product. Sometimes we renovate our spaces and we want to be aware of the purchase of materials, qualities, and sometimes even carry out the work ourselves. Finding the facility cannot allow us all of the above in the simpler way in the acquiring, gratifying, and encourages us of continuing with many more ideas. The needs. The needs is rational things that customers need to know. Many people sometimes feel that can use the finishes of their products do not come close to their application or what was planning either because the people they hire did not use the right materials or quality and quantity are not met as paid. Having of comfort of keeping an eye on qualities and quantities generates confidence. And the fear is frustrated wants and needs. Having insecurity of knowing what you want or paying for a service is too expensive because you don't know about the subject are some of reason why the application for the paint stores can help growth of the company. Thanks for the attention and I cordial greetings, dear college. My name is Alexander Castro. I am a student of Industrial Engineering at the National Open and Distance University, UNAD. On this occasion, I would like to introduce to you to the subject of technology evaluation and negotiation, stage 2. I'll talk about an app for a preparation and use of vinyl paint. In this value proposition canvas, you can see the elements that can help us to understand how use it and description develop. Here we have the designer, and the date. This is the elements of product and the customer and the product. The benefits. What the product does for the customer. Allows the customer to visualize the paint finish and the walls. Calculate the exact amount of painting for each project. Advises painted colors according to each environment. The features. The feature is how the product works by means of algorithm created especially for the programmer and fabricator of each painting. The dimension of each project are inserted in the system shows the amount of vinyl be produced. The recommended color according the requirement upon completion and acceptance of the results. The manufacturer of the product is ordered, which is also carried of to the application. The experience. The experience is the sum of the benefits with the features. The benefits features mixed. Save time and the money purchasing the exact amounts of paint for each project. It works for construction professionals as well as beginners of bosses who want to keep an of the projects. The customer. The wants. The wants is the aspiration I want to achieve with the product. Sometimes we want to renovate our spaces and we want to be aware of the purchase of materials, qualities of sometimes even carry out the work ourselves, finding the facility that cannot allows of the above in the simpler way in the quite gratifying and encourages us to continue with many more ideas. The fears. The fears is the sum of the aspiration and needs, the frustrating ones to needs. Having the insecurity of the knowing that you want of paying for a service that is too expensive because you do not about the subject are some of reason why the application for these paid stories can help us the growth of the company. The needs. The needs is the rational things that customers needs to do. Many people sometimes feel cheated because the finishes of their project do not come close to explication of what was planned, either because the people they tire did not use the right materials of the quality and quantity are not made as paid. Having the comfort of give an eye and qualities and quantities generates confidence. Thanks for the attention. Good night.